Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of Italian cuisine with a classic recipe for spaghetti carbonara. This dish is simple, yet packed with flavor, and it's perfect for a cozy night in. First off, you'll need 500 grams of spaghetti. Boil it according to the package instructions, but keep in mind that we'll be finishing it off with raw egg, so cook it al dente. Next up, we have the star ingredients, guanciale, or pancetta for that salty flavor, freshly ground black pepper, and pecorino cheese. Now, I know some of you might be tempted to use Parmesan instead. Don't do it. Parmesan is great on its own, but for this dish, we need the richness of pecorino cheese. To start, fry the guanciale or pancetta in a pan until it becomes crispy and releases all that delicious fat. Once that's done, remove any excess fat unless you want your carbonara to be more like a mac and cheese. Then, add salt and black pepper to taste as well as 2 eggs and a generous helping of pecorino cheese. Mix everything together until it's combined. Now comes the fun part, draining your spaghetti al dente and tossing it straight into the carbonara mixture. Give everything a good stir until the sauce coats each strand of pasta beautifully. And there you have it, a delicious spaghetti carbonara ready to be devoured. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more culinary creations, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy cooking, everyone!